How do Buzan's laws improve your mind mapping technique? Imagine your brain as a busy city with roads, buildings, and traffic flowing in all directions. Now picture a map that helps you navigate that city smoothly. That's what Buzan's laws do for your mind maps. They give you a clear set of rules to make your maps work better with how your brain naturally thinks. When you follow these laws, your mind maps become more than just pretty pictures. They turn into powerful tools for learning, organizing, and solving problems. The first law says you should start your mind map from the center with a bright, eye-catching image or theme. Think of it like the main landmark in a city. This central picture grabs your attention and helps your brain focus on the core idea. Because it's colorful and bold, it activates both sides of your brain, your logical left side and your creative right side. This makes it easier to remember and connect ideas. Next, Buzan's second law encourages radiant thinking. That means ideas should spread out from the center in curved branches, not straight lines. Curved lines are more natural and easier for your brain to follow. Each branch stands for a main idea, and smaller branches break those ideas down further. This mimics how your thoughts grow and connect in real life, making your map feel more organic and less cluttered. Another key rule is to use only one keyword or image on each branch. This keeps your map simple and quick to scan. Instead of long sentences, you use short, meaningful cues that your brain can process instantly. It's like having labels on a filing cabinet, quick to read and easy to find what you need. Buzan also emphasizes the importance of colors and images throughout your map. Colors help you tell different categories apart, making your map more lively and easier to recall. Pictures and symbols can representing complex ideas in a flash, tapping into your visual memory, which is often stronger than just words. When you combine these elements, your mind map becomes a vibrant, multi-dimensional tool. All these laws work together to make your mind maps more natural, engaging, and flexible. They help you organize your notes from classes or books in a way that matches how your brain thinks. This makes studying less stressful and more productive. When you follow Buzan's laws, your mind maps turn into active thinking partners, helping you understand, remember, and connect ideas faster. It's like giving your brain a map that guides you smoothly through any learning journey.